Hello everyone, this is a short introduction to patents, patenting and patent search. Patents. Many technological inventions are patented. A patent may be granted to an invention that is new, creative and useful. Patent applications are examined by patent offices and a patent granted when eligible. That means that a patent is for invention which has not been known prior to the patent application. If there is an earlier information on the invention, then a patent application cannot be granted as a patent and is rejected. The patent is very valuable for businesses because a patent gives the holder the right to deny anyone from making professional use of the patented invention in any country where the patent is validated. And the maximum term of the patent is 20 years. When one applies for a patent, the first contact point is usually the National Patent Office, Patent and Trademark Office. And in Finland, this office is the Patent and Registration Office, Patentti- ja Rekisterihallitus, PRH. This office processes the application to either reject the application or to grant a patent. And in other countries, similar patent and trademark offices process the applications in each country separately. Alternative patenting routes include national patent offices in other countries, and then there is the European Patent Office EPO, which covers most European countries. And then on the global scale, Patent Cooperation Treaty, which is operated by the World Intellectual Property Organization, is the one that manages and operates the PCT process. And one can also continue the national application to the PCT phase and then designate which countries should be included. Now, after the initial patent application in one country, in any one country, there is a time limit, 12 months. And during this 12 months, the patent applicant needs to define if the patent application will be extended to other countries and then launch the relevant applications in these other countries or regions through the EPO or the PCT processes or the national patent application process in these other countries. Now, if the 12-month period is exceeded, then that invention can no longer be patent protected in these other countries. A patent application is a very strict and formal document. A patent application consists of 4 parts. The cover page, which is a petition and states very specified and formal information. Then there is the disclosure, the description of the invention, and that needs to be clear so that a professional in the art can understand that description. Otherwise, the patent cannot be granted. Claims are legal language and they state what is actually patented. And then there are drawings which show the invention as described in the disclosure and claims. There is a huge potential in patent documents. All patents are published no later than 18 months after the application. And even patent applications are published even when they are rejected. So if they are granted as a patent, they are published, and if they are rejected then they are published, and anyone can find and study this information. Patent databases form a huge source of information on technological inventions. And studying these patent documents is a very good idea if one seeks for state-of-art awareness of technological development and what solutions are known. It is estimated by the Austrian Patent Office in 2005 that some 15 to 25% of all research and development efforts, so all the money that is put into research and development, are wasted each year on inventions that have already been invented by others. And it's kind of silly because the documents of these other inventions are readily available for anyone making the effort to search and find. In Finland, a patent agent estimated that each invention might be invented some 20 to 100 times, and the new inventors always come to the patent agent and say that, okay, I have made the invention and now I want to patent it, but with a very simple search they will find the invention has already been made. All this patent information is readily available for anyone on the databases. There is a number of free international databases that one can use to search for patents and patent applications that are published. And ISPASnet is one managed by the European Patent Office, and PatentScope is the one managed by the World Intellectual Property Organization. And as you can see, the numbers are a little bit different, so actually the information in these databases is overlapping, but they are not consistent with each other's. Google Patent is also a good source for patents, and Google Scholar as well. And then there are some additional resources that you can use to search for patents on international scale. And naturally, of course, in each country, the National Patent and Trademark Office maintains databases on the patents and patent applications launched and granted in that country. So the US patents you can find in ISPASnet and you can find in PatentScope, but you can also go to US Patent and Trademark Office databases to look at the US patents. And similarly, the other countries as well. Professional and commercial databases are also available, but they are rather expensive and not really meant to be used for occasional inventor or occasional user of patent information and knowledge. Now finally, let's look at one exercise. Here you can see a patent application made in the United Kingdom in 2002. Now this application was eventually rejected because in 1931 there was a granted patent in the United States for the very same invention. Now pick one or two or more databases from the previous slide. Go there and try to search both of these patents. You can use the patent numbers. You can try with the GB at the beginning, or you can try without that. And as well, you can try US-A- the number, but you can also use that without. So the format, how you make the searches, depends on the databases. Now, try to find these two patents. They are available on the databases and you can find them, and make sure that you learn to use the databases and find the kind of information that is available on these databases. Play around with it and learn how to use databases on a wider scale. And whenever you make an invention or you wish to enhance a research and development project, find information on patents which are already available on the databases. That's all, folks. Thank you.